What is a teacher training workshop at Fun Chinese Cooking like? Let's have a look together. Today, we have 10 teachers from different schools to attend our workshop. First, let's grab some snacks and drink before Belinda's presentation on the influential regional cuisines in China and how sauces are being used. Next, let's head to the kitchen and get ready to watch Belinda's cooking demonstration. Do you know what Chinese cooking ingredients Belinda is holding? Well, whether you're ready or not, the cooking competition is about to begin. The competitors are asked to make two dishes, broccoli beef and dumpling. It seems everyone is confident in their cooking skills. The competition is over. The judges are tasting and marking the food. Meanwhile, the competitors are having a tea and coffee break and are actively filling in our feedback questionnaire. Congratulations to the eventual winner, who will have the chance to win the grand final in a few months' time and win a trip to Hong Kong. If you would also like to attend a teacher training workshop or would like your school to have Chinese cuisine classes, please contact us now.